chain.
So who's your favorite superhero?
Batman.
Batman.
He's a crazy character because he doesn't have power. He uses only tech.
Batman. He's my superhero.
Wow.
Superpower is inside his pants. Have you seen his superpower?
Want
Mr.
to.
Batman, can you just show some superpowers?
Can you show us your superpower, Mr. Batman?
Not really, no. Sorry.
After watching Deadpool, it has to be Deadpool.
You?
Hulk.
Do you like big and green things?
Yeah,
Things which
but
are
not
green.
everything, only Hulk.
Why Hulk?
Oh, because he's Hulk.
You can relate with him, his size. Beam, Chota Beam. So why does Superman wear his underwear on the outside?
I don't know.
He's so outdated.
What did he say?
Probably he has a patch on his pant or something.
Whatever he's wearing, that's for his safety, I think.
Yeah.
Whenever he fights, he'll be very safe.
So if Batman comes and does this, nothing will
that's
happen. Does he have an underwear on the inside too?
I think so. Otherwise, outline would make something really embarrassing for you.
They are not wearing inside, that's why he's wearing outside. That's why
Let's-
he's wearing. No.
Does Bangalore need its own superhero?
For traffic.
It's a mess out there.
What would his name be?
RTO hero.
Our hero, RTO hero.
Grab the car and he'll just drop us to another home.
Okay, now consider Batman has come to Bengaluru. Will his Batmobile survive the Silkboard traffic block?
They can just ram into other cars and it could teach Bangalore a lesson of heavy traffic.
The speed breakers will kill his vehicle itself. He'll be standing on both ways like a seesaw.
Do you think Batman's sore throat will be fine after coming to India?
I don't think so.
He'll take that juski.
Yeah.
Kala Khatta.
Kala Khatta. He likes Kala Khatta. Kala Kala.
Do you have Kala Khatta?
He knows it's Kala. He doesn't know is it Khatta or not.
Where does Spider-Man's web come from?
Here from his hands, he has no stuff.
It's a machine which he wears there.
Yeah, like
That's
it's
why.
white and it's sticky, so I asked.
Yeah, it's white and sticky.
So all men are Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Spider-Man comes to Bangalore and he's shooting web at all the random buildings. Will it be against Swachh Bharat Abhiyan?
He's against Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Narendra Modi will clean it for him.
If you were given the chance to choose any superpower, what would you choose?
Invisibility.
Okay, and what would you do with that?
First, be a peeping Tom, maybe.
I will kill him before that happens.
Not to girls hostel, not to girls hostel.
Not girls' hostel though, right? Guys' hostel then.
I have to be attractive.
You have to be more attractive.
Yeah.
You're already attractive.
Already attractive.
If you were a superhero, what would your name be?
Sexy hunk.
Hi, sexy hunk.
Thank you.
If you had the power to fly, what would you do?
Kick you in the balls, maybe.
By me.
He has balls now.
No, I don't have balls. You have. Is Mr. India a superhero?
No.
No. So Mr. India, they are saying that you are not a superhero. What do you feel?
हा 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 इन लोगों को तो बस इम्पोर्टेड चीज़ ही चाहिए मतलब इंडियन माल की तो कोई वैल्यूज नहीं है
So Shaktiman got his power from yoga. Does Baba Ramdev have a chance?
No way.
Fuck. So between Batman and Superman, who will win?
Superman, absolutely.
Superman. But Batman has so many gadgets.
No, he has superpower. He can fly. He can throw beams from his eyes.
Yeah. What can Batman do?
Batman just has to simply put kryptonite in his body, that's all. Superman's gone.
You're gone, dude.
Hey. Yeah, right. What?
So that was Bengaluru on superheroes. While some want to be Batman and some want to be Superman, all I want to do is entertain you guys.
So, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the most heroic channel. Put chutney.
Macha.
What?
According to this, Rajnikant is the only superhero.
Go, macha. Put chutney, okay? And follow me on Twitter and Instagram over here. Bet out.
Encounter specialist நிரூபிச்சிட்டீங்க. என்ன ஒரு
அண்ணாத்த அது குன்ஃபு பாண்டா
தூக்கி அடிச்சிருவேன் பாத்துக்க எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஹிந்தில குங்குமப்பூ போட்டாதான்டா